What's up guys, it's me, Chrissy, and welcome back to my room. Today is another video for you that I made just now. This is going to be one of a couple videos in my little Valentine's Day series, and today I did a flawless glowy skin makeup with a single eyeshadow. So simple on the eyes but still super dramatic and, you know, beat, glowy, flawless. Threw on some freckles, make it all cute and stuff. Got my little space buns, so we're gonna have some fun. So sit tight and here's the video. And don't forget to subscribe because you're awesome and I'm awesome and we could be awesome together. So here we go. So I just washed my face and I'm gonna show you guys the product that I like to use. So I just washed my face, and before I moisturize, I'm going to show you guys the product that I use to mix in with your moisturizer to get that kind of glow from within, underneath all of your makeup before you add all of those layers. So first of all, the moisturizer that I'm using is by Kors. This is the pomegranate one. It looks like this. It's for oil control and it kind of shrinks the pores. And the other product, what I'm going to add, is the Josie Marin Argan Enlightenment Illuminizer. And yeah, it says you can use this alone or mixed in with your foundation or moisturizer or oil. So I'm just going to dot them both on my face and then kind of smear it in. I really like to use this product in the summer and then mix it in with like a BB cream. Just put it all over and it's like not greasy, it's just looks good. Alright, oh man, so perfect. I find that if I mix that product with my moisturizer, it works better, blends better. I've used it on its own before and it kind of clumps a little bit. Don't know how to describe it. I guess clump. Yeah, and it's kind of hard to spread out. Especially if you put it on top of foundation, then it's really hard to spread out. So I find that this is the best way to apply it because look at my face, it's like crazy shiny, which is exactly what I want. And the foundation, we're just gonna go straight in with that, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear. I've never tried this foundation ever and I only have a little sample, so let's just find out together. I have a clean beauty blender. Kind of separated. I'm gonna shake it up. Whoa. Yeah, it's really, really thin. Just gonna dot that on this side of my face first and blend it out. See what happens. god, that looks freaking fantastic. I forgot to put on primers. Oops. So we're just gonna use the NARS pore filler on my nose because I don't want all that oil seeping back through. I am in love. Seriously? Oh, man. I need to get this foundation. This one and the Dior Skin Forever foundation. I got samples of, and they're amazing. Like, look at this. This is literally the first time I'm ever trying this foundation ever, okay? And I'm gonna hurry up with the forehead. Finish off the forehead first because I don't want my big old wrinkles seeping through. So yeah. And the powder I'm going to use on top of that is Laura Mercier. So for concealer, I also have NARS, the Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. Oh, why don't I have my little mirror? Where did I get this thing? I got this thing at Forever 21. Lipstick Love. And when I got it, you guys, I was freaking obsessed with lipsticks. I'm like holding the little mirror and looking in the big one. Like, I think I just need something in this hand. And I find that I always need something in the hand, like the cap to an eyeliner or a lip liner or something. I'm always like holding on to it while I'm applying it. Like, you could put it down, you got a whole table there. God, I just love this concealer. It's so nice. I don't know how the people with the fake nails can do their makeup. Like, I know how they can do their makeup, but I just don't know how they can deal with how dirty doing your makeup is. I mean, like, under my nails right now, it's freaking disgusting because of all that foundation and crap that I just rubbed all over my face. And just imagine if you had long fake nails and it gets in between the nail, your nail, and like the fake nail, you know what I'm saying, where the glue is. I just don't know how they can deal with that. I think it's kind of icky, but whatever. Yeah, I'm going to also put the Becca Spotlight here. Alright, let's set these eyeballs. So now that the brows are done, I decided that I'm going to do one eyeshadow. And that eyeshadow is going to be from Modern Ren by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it's gonna be Love Letter, which is that shade right there. Deep burgundy. And super simple, just go in with the same brush that the palette came with, the flat side first. And make sure you tap off all the excess because my face looks so good. And I'm going to pat it all over. Just in case, I'm actually going to load up on the powder under my eyes because Anastasia likes to make some pretty intense colors that like to fall out. So because when we get to blending, you know that that color is going to go everywhere. And you can do this eye look with any color eyeshadow, but because it's Valentine's Day, I figured red or pink would be appropriate. And this color is especially amazing because I have hazel eyes and it just really makes them pop. I mean, can you see my eye? It looks pretty good. My eyeball is good. And this look is perfect for beginners because you just need one brush, one eyeshadow, and to find the right shape to make for your face, for your eye. I mean, see, I like mine just kind of like a little bit winged, elongated, and like high up. Some people like more round. Some people don't like a wing. So personal preference and what you're feeling that day. So during the commercial break, I finished up this eye and did some bronzing with the Bare Minerals bronzer in Pure Radiance. And I did that one because it is the only non-matte bronzer that I have. And I want to keep the glow going. Bring down that maroon shade under my eyes, just in the outer edges. If I bring it too far in, I'm gonna look sick. Not like sick, you look sick, I'm gonna look sick. And I'm already super tired and my eyes are bloodshot and kind of irritated. And then you know the flu's going around, so people will just want to stay away from me, and that's not really the whole point of Valentine's Day, if you know what I'm saying. To do the whole bottom. Owning Clay Tarte Blush in Amused, and it's like super hot pink. So much better. Freaking blush just like totally just gives you life and stuff. Life and stuff. It gives you life and stuff. And we're just gonna go heavy on the blush because it's Valentine's Day and I wanna be cute as fuck. Okay. So cute. Super cute. Like, oh my god. Look at her. She's got so much blush on. I wanna be her. No. So from the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit, we're gonna do the shade Pink Heart because it's only appropriate. And this is an eyeshadow brush from Sigma E40, which is, I think, perfect slash the only thing that I really have for highlighter. I just want my cheeks to be like pink glitter bombs. Next, I am going to set my face with my homemade setting spray. All over my face. Take the same brow product and dot it all over my face. Let's try NYX Lip Lingerie in Satin Ribbon. You know what time it is. The Catrice lip foundation is life. Not kissable for Valentine's Day, but looks fabulous, so yeah. So that was the video. What did you think? Let me know down below and hit that thumbs up button because I don't know, because why would you thumbs down? That's why. Don't forget, come back every Wednesday and Saturday because I have new videos with my same face. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching and take care. Until then, peace.